I'm going to give you a tour of a 1970 Mustang Mach 1. Beautifully restored example. Documented with the Marti Report. It was born this grabber green color. It has a ram air shaker hood, rim blow steering wheel. Let's go for a spin. Yeah, this one's exceptionally nice. The fit and finishes are excellent. All straight, square, has the hood locks. And look at the body lines of the fastback. Door shuts real nicely. The trunk lid all lines up square. The gaps are all nice and square. Basically polished like a mirror. Has the optional black stripe, like a satin or flat black stripe. They've added the louvers to it. Also has the rear spoiler. And then how about those Magnum 500s? And then back here has the stripe, the honeycomb filler panel, nice chrome taillights. All right, what do you think? You liking it so far? Inside's all nice and clean. It has the gray and white spatter finish. This has the fold down sport deck seat, so this opens up into the interior. This is a deluxe interior, so it has the molded door panels with the wood grain trim. And then the dash pad itself is really nice. I'm sure it's been replaced. There's the wood grain and the lenses all look good. Has a factory tachometer, and believe it or not, there was an option. It didn't come standard on the Mach 1s. It has an AM FM 8-track radio. The center console's in very nice shape. It looks like it has new wood grain. Seats feel like they've been all recushioned. They're nice and firm. They are the high back deluxe seats. Now this is the sport deck seat, and it has a rim blow steering wheel. Okay, they rebuilt the engine completely. It's a 351 Cleveland, bored 30 over. It has forged flat top pistons, a little hotter cam, Doug Thorley ceramic coated headers. It's an Edelbrock aluminum intake with a big polished 750 Holley carburetor underneath there. And this is the shaker hood. It's attached to the engine, so it shakes. Little ram air feeds right into the engine. All clean, all fresh, all painted nicely. Reproduction hoses and lamps, nice radiator, shroud looks new. So under the car's restored very nicely. It looks so fresh still. All of the suspension and steering looks brand new, front and back. It has nice custom dual exhaust. It's stainless pipes going back to some Flowmaster mufflers, and has the chrome tip going out through the valance. Fuel system's nice and clean. Brake system's been redone. Their disc in front, drum in back. E-brake assembly is all hooked up. You look up at the motor, it's just spotless Ford blue. It has a C6 heavy duty Ford automatic transmission. It has the 9-inch rear end. Floors are just spotless, clean metal, painted black, and it has a little bit of green overspray from painting the body that drifted under there. That's actually correct. That's how the factory would have done it. So inside and out, top to bottom, I've just taken you through the car. It's beautiful. Someone's going to really enjoy this. Thanks for watching.